Hey guys, how are you? If you're using Mi Box and you have recently updated it, you might be facing a lot of issues. That's why you are here. One issue, which is a very common one, is the sound option. From the sound from this optical audio is not coming, the port is dead. It has also the resolution problems, 4K or 720p resolution are switching automatically. Some Mi boxes are not uh, catching Wi-Fi signals, and there's list of bugs. Many people are trying ADP recovery mode, ADP debugging mode to fix these issues. These are complicated methods, and I think we should wait for the newest firmware, which is expected to be come by this Monday. Uh, so I think we should wait. If you are facing any other problems with this Mi box, please write in the comment box. And if anyone has a solution, he can also apprise us with the solution. Till now, there is no solution, and everyone is suffering from the new update. If you haven't updated, so please don't update and wait for this. Wait for the newer version of the firmware, because this is a terrible version. I don't know why the software team hasn't tested well, and what was the issue, but a lot of people are suffering from it. So hope for the best. Thank you.